Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel Mr. Tech Tips. In today's video I will show you how to unblock someone on X, formerly Twitter. To do this it's very simple. You have just to go to X, open the app. After that go and click on your picture on the top right of the screen. After that, on top left, not top right of the screen. After that go to settings and privacy. And after that, go to privacy and safety. And here, as you can see, there is an option called mute and block. Click on it. And the first option is blocked accounts. Click on it. And you will find here the accounts that you already blocked. So to unblock, you have just to click on that blocked button. And as you can see, this account is unblocked. And he can you can see his profile again. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in